Hi and welcome to Board Stiff Gaming. This time around, instead of basically doing a board game, I'm going to try something a little bit different and mix it up. I've ordered what I've been told is a fully complete working Mega Drive. Now, I love vintage board games, but I also love vintage retro gaming stuff. And I know that there is a brand new mini classic, which everyone seems to do mini classics. I'm not interested in mini classic until they do a mini classic Dreamcast, which they're never going to bloody do, so I'm going to get over that. But they are doing a mini classic Mega Drive, and I thought, you know what, I'll dig around the line, see if I can get myself a second-hand one. And as always, I've ordered one from the dodgiest place I could possibly find. I found a seller with absolutely no stars and no sales history, and I've ordered a Mega Drive with a series of games and some extras. So, I've got rid of the packaging because you don't want to know where I live, and I don't want you knowing where I live because I don't trust any of you. You've all got funny eyes. Right, okay. So, slice along the top here, trying hard not to actually slice my fingers off or damage anything in the box. Run it down here. Oh, it's exciting, isn't it? This is why we all watch unboxing videos. Just the cutting the plastic tape off. Who cares what's in it? It's opening the box which is the exciting bit. Yeah, hey, at least it's not a loot crate. Now that is dull unboxing. Right, so we slice open here and see what we've got. We have got... oh, joy. Plastic bags used for packing. Who needs bubble wrap where you can just jam it full of Tesco's? In fact, actually, I might actually use this. It's actually quite useful. So yeah, I'm going to stop complaining because I now have more bags for life. The wife will be so happy. Right, put that aside for a second. We have got the obligatory RF cable. Now, I'm not going to use this. I'm probably going to go online and order myself a composite cable, or maybe even an HDMI cable, which I believe you can now get for this console. But yeah, look at that. Look, kids, in the old days, none of these coloured plugs or fancy HDMI digital. We had RF. Ever since we got rid of digital in the UK, there's been no need for RF cables, so that's pretty much defunct technology. The massive power brick. Here we go. This is Sega's own AC adapters. These things were absolutely huge. These days you get that all in the console, whereas in those days, back in the late 80s, early 90s, all the power gubbins came in these. We've got another power brick. This is a model HR889. Output 9 volts. So yeah, it's the right output. It's got an LED on the side there. What's it plug into? Oh, check that out. Regular 9 volt adapter. And then you've got a little converter that turns it so it can be used on a Mega Drive. Oh, yay! Now that's really good news. I don't need to buy an RF adapter. It's already got the composite adapter. Interesting fact about the Mega Drive, although it's got stereo sound, for some reason, some weird reason, if you use the non-RF adapter and do it out composite, it only comes in mono sound. Why? I still to this day do not know why the Mega Drive only outputs with mono sound from the back. Classic Mega Drive controller. Still feels kind of nice. It's not scratched up at all. There's no chunks missing out of it. Hasn't got the turbo button on the back, so this is just a regular Mega Drive control pad. Absolutely gross though, and it's sticky to the touch. Oh, should wear gloves when I do this. really should wear gloves, but too late now. And hey, a second Mega Drive controller, except I think, let me just check the cable lengths on here. See, is the slightly newer one where you only get about 1 meter of cable. So yeah, that's could definitely be player 2's. controller. Now for the fun part. We got games. Oh, straight away we start with a classic. Splatterhouse 2 from Namco. Please be in here. Yeah, there we go. And oh, and look, a lovely rental sticker. Can that come off? No, no, it can't. Oh, it's oh god, it's torn all the label on the front already. Nothing I could do about that. That was already torn. Bloody rental companies. But hey, never mind. Oh good god, what crime against nature is this? We've got the horrible mug of Macaulay Culkin saying, "Holy cow!" Might as well be saying Calabunga. Bloody 90s crap. Kevin's been left home alone. Oh good god, spoilers. And let's see if it's in there. Okay, that's a bit of good news. Sod Home Alone. It's actually Aladdin, one of my favourite Disney games. And this is when Disney games were good and not the pile of crap they are now. So that's good. I don't know where Home Alone is. Maybe it's in the box, maybe it isn't. Who cares? The game was shite. This is Road Rash. God, when Electronic Arts didn't mean that it was a horrible, nasty cash grab. Those are the days. And there we go. Coming up next we've got Street Fighter 2 Special Championship Edition. This isn't Super Street Fighter 2, but it's the version where they had some extra details when they ported this across from the SNES. It's a really good version of this game. 1 or 2 players, 16-bit cartridge. And please be in here. Yes. Hadouken. And finally in the games we have got California Games. Yeah, never really got into this game. 1 to 9 players. I don't know how that works. It's on a 16-bit cartridge as well, and oh, okay, we've got a very faded cartridge, but we have. Oh, what's this? This is. Hey, what? Blue Lagoon? What? Music lineup? Some kind of map? And wow. Okay, this is somebody's idea of a wonderful weekend that they've organised from back in the day. None of my business. I think we'll leave that alone. So, we have got 5 games. One of them not the game we expected, and it couldn't have been better for me. We got 2 controllers, we got 2 AC adapters, RF cable, and that's what I'm happy about, the composite cable. So it's going to composite out to a nicer picture than you get on an RF cable. Well, it's another Tesco's bag, but it is the version 1. My favourite version. As much as the Mega Drive 2 was nice and sleek, I like the nice sort of flat, almost record player-ish look of this this version. So let's carefully take the bubble wrap off, because I might want to reuse this again. Always reuse your packaging, folks. Save the planet. Okay, it's a bit grubby. It's very yellowed. Oh, and that is sticky as hell. Yep. Button works, switch is still functional, and the volume slider goes up and down. Some scratching here, and oh, there's a lot of dirt on this. Alright, this is model number 160105. Don't know if anyone's ever broken into this before, but I'm going to open this thing up, give it a scrub, give it a clean, and see if we can't get it coming up like new.